So guys, if you were wanting to stay hydrated as much as possible, start taking Celtic salt. Yes, Celtic salt is 100% natural and it holds 82 minerals. Yes, 82 minerals, and it's 100% natural. And the way to take this is that you take a few of these crystals into your tongue and you let the salt absorb. Now once you feel that the salt is absorbing, you need to be drinking water. Now just by doing this, you will feel hydrated and you will be absorbing 82 minerals. Yes, 82 minerals into your body, which will help you stay hydrated. And I'm assuming